On Cooking Captain Cook by Brandy, Nālani, McDougall. If you ask the blonde-haired concierge at the Grand Pihe, he will tell you that we ate him whole, strung his white meat on a stick, filled his mouth with apples, and slow-roasted him over fire. The sunburned vendors selling t-shirts in Reihana will say we ate him too, but only certain parts. The head, heart, hands, wrapped in a kind of spinach and held over hot lava. The owner of the Hula Hula bar and grill will say we only ate him for lack of fine cuisine, rubbed his skin with sea salt, then boiled him in coconut milk and served him on a bed of yams. My anthropology professor, long researching ancient cultures, will offer explanations from his latest book. The white-skinned men seemed gods to those without metal or written words. By eating him, they meant to become him. But if you ask my tutu while she waters her orchids and protea, she will invite you in to eat, to eat.